Hey there everyone, and welcome to another lecture of this SolidWorks series. In this lecture we are going to see about a new command, which is the circle, and with that we are going to see about some workspace accessories. And these workspace accessories are very much required for the easy flow of your design. And let's just see in SolidWorks how we can do that. So basically, you will find a circle command over here, and SolidWorks provide two kinds of method of creating a circle. So in a basic method, if you are going to create a circle, then the circle requires two things. One is the center point and another one is the radius of the circle. And if you have these 2 points, you can easily able to create a circle around that. So this is the method that is used in SolidWorks as well. So this first method is going to be discussed like for that only. So just click on arrow over here, and this is the basic circle that you will find out here. So just click on that, and then it is asking you to specify the center point. So I'm going to click anywhere randomly on the screen, and there we go, we have started the circle. And since I have told you that in SolidWorks you just have to create anything with a random value, and later on with the help of a tool we are going to provide the dimension to that. So right now we are also creating this circle at a random dimension. So for that, if you want to provide a dimension to that, if you want to have it a random value, then you just have to spread the circle to the point you want, and then just just click on your mouse, and that's it, you have created a circle. This is the circle that basically every software provides, and this requires two things. One is the center point and another one is the radius of the circle. You can also have the conditions like that. Let's say you have one circle, one line, and in this line you will find, if you want to create a circle over the endpoint of this line, then you can just go for the circle. Just grab the endpoint of this line, and that will act as a center point of this circle. Just click on that, and from there the circle will going to start. Similarly, from this endpoint as well, you just click on this circle, just select this endpoint, and there we go, we have created two circles at the endpoints of the line. Similarly, you have many other options as well in in circle. So just click on this circle and just click on anywhere that will be taken as a center point. But before that, just click on the line, and then just click on the circle again, just click on the random positions, and that circle will be going to create it. Similarly, here you will find an option over here. Just you will find a for construction written over here. So just tick on that, and you will find that the circle is now converted into a dotted line. So it's not a continuous line anymore, it is converted into that dotted line, and it means that it is now used for a construction purpose. So we are going to discuss about this construction purpose line later on, but for the hint I want to tell you that these constructions objects are going to have no effect over the solid body, and it will just only be used for creating the reference points or the reference sections. So this is the basic use of this construction circles. So let's just provide you one example. Let's say you want to create a circles around this circle, and this circle is the continuous one. So this circle will act as the reference value, and the quadrants of these circles, the in diameter points, you can easily able to grab those points, and this is how you created a four circles around a circle. So this circle will not have any effect on the 3D body because this is made up of construction lines. This object will just it will have these four objects will only have the impact. Rest all will not have the impact. So this is how this circle is constructed into a reference line. Similarly, SolidWorks provide one more method of creating a circle, which is the perimeter circle. And in this circle, there is the requirement of the center point is not there. You just have to require the 3 points on its circumference, and that's it. It will going to find out the center automatically by itself. So how it is going to work? So for that, I'm just providing you one situation. Let's say you have you have 3 lines basically. This is the one line and another one is like that. Then you have this line, and you have to create a circle that will going to touch the endpoints of these lines, and it will just going to touch it and nothing else, like this point and this point and this point. It's my pardon that it is not touching. So just assume that this is touching these end lines. So this is the situation that I am providing to you. So for that, you don't have to go for the center circle, this circle, because this circle requires the radius values and it is very difficult to find out the exact radius. But for that, we are going for this second kind of circle, that is the perimeter circle. So as I've told you, it will not require any center point. It will just require the 3 parameter points or the circumferential points. So just click on this endpoint first, and you can find that the circle will going to start from there. Just click on this point, this endpoint again, and now this circle is adjusted itself according to that endpoints. Then once you click on this endpoint, then the circle is completely adjusted itself according to the condition that I have provided, and we don't have to worry about the center points. It will automatically going to detect that center, and this is the importance of this parameter circle. Similarly, if you want to create from these 3 points, then you can just select this one and this one. Similarly, let's say you have 3 circles instead of a line. Let's say this is your one circle, this is the another one, and this is the another one. Similarly, the perimeter circle will work for this circles as well. So this is how a perimeter circle works. You don't have to determine the center point, it will automatically going to do that. So with that, we have completed all our circle commands, and you can just have the one thing to just notice, that you just have to if you want to provide the dimensions here only, then you can just make it from here, this parameter section. You can just provide the dimension radius value here, and the x and y coordinate, the center point coordinates from here. So you can just provide it from here as well, but this process is a quite tricky one, so we are going to see about the easy process later on. For that, I'm just for the knowledge purpose or for the information purpose, I'm telling you about this. And this x and y value will be going to calculated from this origin point, this x and y, this axis, the red axis that you are finding over here. So with that, we have completed our circle section, and to not just make this lecture big one, so I'm just going to continue about the accessories section in the later lecture. So let's just find about the accessories in the next lecture. So that's all for this lecture.